Hello, how are you? Rear axle bushing. Replacement lined container, handling forklift. Replacing the rear axle bushing on a lined container, handling forklift typically involves several steps. Prepare the forklift, ensure the forklift is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. For safety, you might want to block the wheels to prevent any movement. Access the rear axle. Depending on the model, you may need to lift the forklift to access the rear axle area. Use a jack and jack stands to safely lift and support the vehicle. Remove the old bushing. Use appropriate tools to remove the old bushing. This may involve disconnecting components such as the wheel, axle shaft, or other parts connected to the bushing. Install the new bushing. Insert the new bushing into place, ensuring it fits correctly and securely. Use any recommended lubrication or adhesive as specified by the manufacturer. Reassemble components. Once the new bushing is installed, reattach any components that were disconnected. Double-check all connections and ensure everything is tightened to the manufacturer's specifications. Test the forklift. Lower the forklift back to the ground and test drive it to ensure that the rear axle bushing replacement was successful and that there are no issues with handling or noise. Maintenance check. After replacing the bushing, it's a good practice to inspect other related components and perform any necessary maintenance tasks to ensure the forklift operates safely and efficiently. If you're not experienced with mechanical repairs, it might be best to consult a professional technician or the forklift service manual to ensure the job is done correctly and safely.